Hello, I'm back again with word of the day, so let's find out what word it is. Okay, so here are some words which are going to help you guess the word. Appetizing, savory, tasty, toothsome. They all mean agreeable or pleasant, especially to the sense of taste. The word belongs to the word family above. Now, here you could see the hint. The actual word has some missing alphabets. Can you guess the word? Great! And the word is palatable. And it's an adjective. Let's look at the definitions of palatable. Of a food or drink having a pleasant or acceptable taste. Palatable to somebody, pleasant or acceptable to somebody. Let's look at the example sentences. I am fond of a very palatable local soft drink. So do you think that soft drink tastes so well, so good that they are palatable? Yes, they are. Great. Number two, some of the dialogues has been changed to make it more palatable to an American audience. So, do you think that the dialogues were made more acceptable to the audience? Yes, they were. Great. Alright. So, do you have any synonyms in mind? Good. Toothsome. Enjoyable. Any opposite meaning words? Antonym. Fine. Unpalatable. Great. Okay, so let's look at the pronunciation. Remember, it's very important to learn spelling and practice pronunciation of the word. Now listen and repeat.
Palatable.
Palatable. Once again,
Palatable.
one last time.
Palatable.
Fantastic, you have learned a new word. See you again.